Hi, my name's James Wood. I'm from Totally Wild UK, and we're a unique team of foragers. We're actually the only team of off-qual accredited foragers in the UK at the moment. And we go out and we'll harvest whatever's in season at that time. So it's freshly foraged ingredients. So you can find some of our forage might be down the coast, looking for seaweeds or coastal ingredients, so some of the salty things you'll find. Or you might find us inland looking for wild garlic or things like wild chervil or wild parsley, things like that. Or you can find us deep into the woods looking for the season's best mushrooms. So it's literally something in season at every time of year, and we're the guys that are out looking for them. From the age of 3 or 4, I've been out in the woods playing hide and seek, or chasing my brother with the biggest stick I could find. So kind of being involved with the outdoors in some essence. And it was only about 10 years ago that I actually started to learn that what we were playing with as kids was edible. So we'd play hide and seek in a woodland, we called it the Chicken Kiev's wood, and it was actually full of wild garlic. And as a child I didn't realise that, but growing up and figuring that out, it then became an amazing place to go for picking garlic. So it's almost like revisiting these spaces that I used to go and play with, and now they've got a whole different purpose and a whole different meaning to what they are. So I no longer go for a little walk through the woods. It'll be the potential of going into the wild larder and finding some great ingredients for dinner. So some of the wild and forage things you can find at Abel and Cole are things like what we've got here, sea purslane, which you'll find in the coastal mix, things like sea aster, wild garlic. And this year we've put together a really nice product. It's called a hedgerow salad, and it's going to be 3 or 4 of the season's best salad ingredients. So it'll change season on season, but it'll be whatever fresh young growth we've got coming through. So at the start it might be slightly mustard flavoured. Later in the year it might have some more succulents or maybe some of the salty kind of coastal ingredients into there, but it'll be a perfect mix of salads.